Hey everyone, today I will show you how to upload a decal on Roblox. Here's how it is done. Steps to upload a decal. Launch Roblox Studio by clicking the Roblox Studio icon in the lower left corner of the Roblox homepage. Once in Roblox Studio, click on the Creations tab. Navigate to Development Items, which is where you manage game assets. Select decals from the options available. Click the Upload Asset button to begin uploading your image file. Use a photo or image you want to turn into a decal from your device. The default name of the decal will be the file name, but you can change it if you'd like. Once ready, click Upload to finish creating your decal. You can see all your previously uploaded decals under Development Items. That is everything you need to know about how to upload a decal on Roblox. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.